What if Apple's next MacBook Pro could render 8K video faster than you can say Samsung who? The M5 MacBook Pro, whispered to drop late 2025, is trending hard, and leaks say it's packing a 32-core GPU that could obliterate the competition. Creatives, are you ready to ditch your rigs? Let's dive into the hype. Hey tech crew, this is GadInsider, and today we're unpacking the M5 MacBook Pro rumors that have US techies losing their minds. Expected on late 2025, this beat might just be Apple's boldest swing yet. A premium powerhouse aimed straight at Samsung's laptop crown. Leaks are buzzing about unreal power for video editors, 3D artists, and anyone who lives in 8K. Let's break it down. First, the star of the show, that rumored 32-core GPU. Word on the street, well, the supply chain, is it's built on TSMC's 3nm tech, stacking chips in 3D for insane thermal control. What's that mean? Real-time 8K video rendering without breaking a sweat. Imagine editing your next blockbuster in Premiere or Blender. No lag, no proxies, just buttery smooth glory. Samsung's premium laptops, like the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, rock a solid 16-core GPU. Respectable, but the M5's rumored 32 cores could double that grunt. Add a 14-core CPU, whispers of 48GB RAM options, and Thunderbolt 5. This isn't just a laptop, it's a creative war machine. Late 2025 can't come soon enough. Low-key flex. Leaks hint at server-grade AI chops too. Think fast renders, smarter workflows, Apple intelligence on steroids. Samsung might need to call the timeout. Then I hit her with a curveball. Use Galaxy AI to sketch a fake M5 render. She laughed. Samsung's crying somewhere. Apple's not just building a laptop, they're flexing on the whole game. So, is the M5 MacBook Pro a Samsung killer? If leaks hold up, late 2025, $2,000-ish price tag, this could redefine premium laptops. That 32-core GPU and 8K muscle scream creative dream rig. Samsung's got sleek designs and OLED edge, but Apple's power play might leave him in the dust. Me, I'm saving my pennies. 4K so last year, and I need that 8K life. Are you hyped for the M5 MacBook Pro? Team Apple or Team Samsung? Drop your takes in the comments.